Okay, now we're gonna sew on some snaps. Snaps come in different sizes and shapes. Right now I have the squared kind. And we're going to start off with the bold side. I have this piece here and I wanna snap this into place. And I'm going to just put it here in the middle. I'm gonna get my thread and my needle, and I doubled it so it's a little bit thicker. And I'm gonna start off on one corner, but I'm gonna weave it. I don't wanna puncture the other side because I want the other side to be clean. I'm going to just sew on the one inside layer. Pull it through. So now if I flipped it over, it's nice and clean. Grab my snap, put it over, and then I'm going to put my thread and I'm gonna thread it through. And then again, I'm just gonna keep weaving that spot, weave it through, and do this about 3 or 4 times on each side. And because I double threaded it, I don't have to go a lot of times. I just go 3 the max. Now I'm done doing that. So I'm going to weave it one more time. Towards the back. Then I'm going to come to this side and I'm going to put it through that. So now that string is nice and clean, and then it's also clean from the other side. And then again, we're going to keep weaving it. So once you have that, I'm going to weave it one more time through the back end. Then I'm going to go to my next ball here and weave it through, nice and clean. Weave it one more time through the back. So once you're done there, you're gonna knot it off by grabbing a little bit of fabric and fibers on top. This. And you're gonna make your knot. Once you make your knot, you're gonna weave it one more time going in through the inside. And then you're just going to trim it right on the edge so the thread isn't inside. So you have this, then when you flip it around, nice and clean. So now we're going to attach this part to here, and you want it to be even. Make sure that the ball is going to match exactly. So a trick I do is I get a piece of chalk and then I mark the top of the ball with my chalk. Then I get the top part and I align it exactly where I want, and then I just stamp it on there. So now I know this is where I need to put my flat end. So I'm going to put this straight down because the ball has to go right in there. So we're going to do the same thing. This side clean. Now you can snap them both into place.